Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to merge duplicate contacts on iPhone. So first of all, we will just tap for the call log, and in some of numbers have duplicated with the contacts on iPhone. So I want to just merge the duplicate contacts on iPhone. Just go back and just find the contacts option. Just tap for all iCloud and scroll down in the last, and as you can see the option of 3 duplicates found. Just tap, and after, if I just tap for Burak Tech, and you will just have to merge. So are you sure you like to merge duplicate contact information into one contact card? Just tap for merge and just go back and just search for Burak. So as you can see, in this way you will just have to merge duplicate contacts on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.